The aircon blower, you need to dismantle only 3 screws. 3 screws only to take out the blower. The mounting 5 screw no need to take out. Only 3 screws only. Then I think the resistor is here. The resistor is situated outside. It's not at the blower. The aircon resistor is outside. I think this is the one. This is the aircon resistor. That is visible from outside, not inside the blower housing. It is outside. This is the one. You see or not? It's inside. This is the blower. The blower hole. Outside is the filter. Okay. See, this is the one. This is the aircon resistor. The resistor for the blower.